Tuesday, September 21, 2022. Headline: Japan currency policy is now ready to intervene in currency markets. U.S. market declines also dominate Wall Street, with all major indices losing more than 1%, and the strongest discount minus 1.5% is seen on the Russell 2000 index. It is possible that investors are getting rid of stocks in fear of tomorrow's Fed meeting. Tomorrow we will learn the decision on interest rates in the U.S. Macroeconomic forecasts will also be published. Rising U.S. bond yields support the dollar. Gains on 10-year notes accelerated after breaking above the June peak at 3.5%. Asia. Asian stocks opened lower after U.S. shares declined and Treasury yields held gains near multi-year highs as investors positioned for a hefty interest rate hike from a hawkish Federal Reserve. Equities fell in Japan, Australia, and South Korea after the S&P 500 index dropped more than 10% below the August high, marking the peak of its rally from this year's low. U.S. contracts inched higher and Hong Kong futures declined. According to Tatsuo Yamasaki, former head of Japan currency policy, is now ready to intervene in currency markets at any moment, if needed, and doesn't need to wait for a green light from the U.S. to support the yen. UE market. Yesterday's attempt at a rebound in the stock market came to naught. Tuesday's session brought a return to declines on the world's major stock indices. The main stock indices from the old continent ended Monday's session sharply lower, with the German DAX losing 1.03%, while the French CAC 40 depreciated 1.35% and the Londoner FTSE 100 lost 0.61%. Christine Lagarde, during an ongoing speech, asserted the ECB's will to fight inflation. The speech did not bring any important updates to the ECB's recent rhetoric. FX market. The worst performing of the major currencies today is the New Zealand dollar, which is losing about 1% against the dollar. The New Zealand dollar currency pair remains in a strong downtrend. Today the rate fell below the 0.5900 level. Precious metals. The stronger dollar is also reflected in the price of commodities. Precious metals such as gold, silver, and palladium are under selling pressure today, while on the plus side, platinum quotations remain on the upside. Oil. On the other hand, yesterday's reaction in crude oil was halted and today black gold is trading lower, with both Brent and WTI losing around 1.5%. Cryptocurrencies. Worse sentiment also persists on the major cryptocurrencies, despite the fact that a hammer formation formed on Bitcoin yesterday, which could herald a rebound. The main digital currency is down about 2.5% today. Ethereum is also losing about 2%.